Seat has officially unveiled the facelifted versions of its two most popular models, the Arona and Ibiza. These refreshed models bring a more premium and modern look, upgraded interiors, and new features that strengthen Seat's position in the compact car segment. After teasing the redesign last year, the Spanish automaker has finally revealed what's new for 2026, blending sporty elegance with improved practicality. The 2026 Seat Arona now carries a bolder and more expressive face, featuring a redesigned grille with a hexagonal mesh pattern and slimmer LED headlights that deliver better brightness and beam range. The new front bumper gives the compact crossover a sportier stance, while repositioned fog lamps and a dark aluminum rear diffuser enhance its rugged yet refined personality. Seat has also refreshed the rear with standard LED taillights and stylish handwritten Arona badging that adds a touch of sophistication. Customers can choose from new 16 to 18-inch alloy wheels and three new exterior colors named Liminal, Oniric, and Hypnotic. For those who love customization, a contrasting roof in midnight black or the new Manhattan gray is available. Inside, the Arona sees subtle yet meaningful improvements. The cabin now features embossed seat textiles, a perforated leather steering wheel, and a cooled 15W wireless charger that supports modern lifestyles. The sound experience is enhanced with a new 6-speaker audio system, while tech lovers can enjoy an 8-inch digital instrument cluster and 8.25-inch infotainment screen as standard. Higher trims get an optional 10.25-inch display for both the cluster and the infotainment system, bringing a more connected feel. Powertrain options remain familiar but efficient, led by the 1.0-liter 3-cylinder TSI producing 94 horsepower with a 5-speed manual gearbox. A stronger 113 horsepower variant offers either a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DSG transmission, while the range-topping 1.5-liter 4-cylinder delivers 149 horsepower paired exclusively with a DSG gearbox. These options make the Arona suitable for both city driving and weekend getaways. The new 2026 Seat Ibiza hatchback mirrors many of these updates, wearing a sleeker front end with a reworked grille, slimmer headlights, and redesigned front bumper featuring larger air curtains. The rear also gets attention with a new bumper design that visually widens the car and darkened details around the license plate. The classic Ibiza script on the tailgate adds a nostalgic yet modern touch. Inside, the Ibiza has received the same quality improvements found in the Arona. A darker headliner and soft-touch materials make the cabin more immersive, while textile door panels and embossed seats create a sense of comfort and craftsmanship. The technology package includes the same screens and audio system options, making it one of the most tech-savvy hatchbacks in its class. Under the hood, the Ibiza offers a similar engine lineup as the Arona, plus an extra entry-level 1.0-liter MPI engine with 79 horsepower paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. For those seeking a balance between performance and efficiency, the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder remains the top performer, offering 149 horsepower with smooth DSG shifts. Both the 2026 Seat Arona and Ibiza will continue production in Barcelona, a nod to Seat's strong Spanish identity and craftsmanship. Their official market launch is scheduled for January 2026. With their refined looks, updated interiors, and smarter technology, these two models aim to redefine what affordable European style feels like. Seat clearly intends to keep their loyal fans excited while attracting a new wave of drivers who value quality and design at an accessible price.